Okay, this is Jumping Jack, requested by Dan somebody or other. Oh, bollocks. This looks like a really interesting ZX Spectrum game. Graphics dating back from when the Ark was out, when Noah first got on board the Ark with his menagerie of animals. Oh, cunt. Sorry about my language. Ah, you little jacket, you'll get to the top of the screen. Easier said than done because it looks fucking impossible. The controls all over the shop. Actually, I don't know what the controls are. Space one way. Bollocks. Excellent. Look, if you smash your head, you get a little electric shock. Woo! Oh, there we go. Bollocks. Ah, and 2 deaths in a row. Final score 15 points. That's a new high score. Wrong button. Some bollocks stuck. Apparently levels are randomly generated. They all look pretty featureless to me. Fucking hell. A big-headed bastard. Come on. Oh, on the... Oh, fuck's sake. Oh, fuck off! What a stupid game. Smack your head. Now we're cooking. Gotta keep a bit quick. Ah, bollocks. You die, the floor opens up and you're dead again. You can't win. Oh, piss. Bollocks. Could be gone a bit quick, innit? Oops, wrong button. Go on, Jack. Stop pissing around. Get up the top. No, you knobber. No, wrong button again. Fucking these old Spectrum games, they surely have shit controls. So let's get it proper going now. Come on. Come on, Jack. Jack the lad. He runs like someone in desperate need of a toilet. Well, he's doing where to hold it. He's doing where to hold it in, to be fair, if he's desperate for the toilet. Come on. Come on, Jack. Not sure why he needs to get to the top of the screen. Perhaps the Walls ice cream van's turned up. I don't know. Fucking hell. Just get up that fucking screen, you bastard. No. It's a pretty tricky game. This is level 1. Imagine how easy it is if you get further in the game, can't you? Gotta wait for the gap in the floor to appear. Here we go. No. Trapped. Bollocks. Here we go. Come on. Come on, open up, you bastard. Come on. Get up that fucking thing. Here we go. Oh, shit. Down we go. It's like having a bad run on the snake's ladders. You get one fucking snake, you're right down the bottom. You get another one, and you're down again. Come on, lad. Get up the left. Come on. Roll a 6, get a snake. No, no, no. Pissing out. Come on, Jack. It'd be better off with a fucking beanstalk to get up this fucking screen. Oh, bollocks. Oh, this is frustrating. Top. Trying to do it with this time to the top. To the top. Fucking no. Down we go. It's like that song by Bernard Cribbins. Do you know the one? Right Said Fred. They're trying, I don't know what they're doing, they're trying to move something and they're getting nowhere. Whatever they did, they were getting nowhere, and tell you, that's what I'm getting, nowhere. Fucking nowhere. Bollocks. It's quite an intriguing game, to be fair. It's the sort of game that if I had it at the time, I probably would have persevered a little bit longer than I would now. Because I can't be asked, but I'm sort of in two minds to give it 1 out of 10 because it looks shit, sounds shit, very simple, annoying as hell, and giving it about 4 out of 10 because at the same time there's a bit of a challenge there. You have a bit of fun with it. So there you go. I tell you what, I'll go halfway-ish, and I'll get 3 out of 10. There you go. 3 out of 10 for Jumping Jack. Frustrating as hell. I don't know why people love. When they request games, they always want you to play frustrating games. Bastards, a lot of you. But there you go. 3 out of 10. Jumping Jack, ZX Spectrum.